Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and whenever you meet some strange problems with it, and then you should consider restarting the settings, so everything will be set as a default. So it does not really matter whether we will be on the standard photo mode or the video mode. All we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner and then scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, nothing really happened, but trust me, we just successfully reset all settings and the camera should get back to its normal, proper state and work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.